Hey guys, if you're interested in AI editing like effect for your photos, well, in this video let me share you how to make like that photos using the Google Gemini application. There is a multiple prompt to do this. So like a basic editing prompt, so it's basically remove your background and cinematic and artistic type of effect, and viral and trending style of prompt, and a combination and advanced prompt is there. Many advanced prompt is there, so I will share you all this in this video. And also I've already given all the prompt details in the description of this video, so if you want to go and check out, and it's very easy. So firstly, how to create a AI related images using Google Gemini. So for that, firstly you have to go to the gemini.google.com, or in your Android application open Google Gemini. You can see the option create image, and or else here is the option tools. Click on this and click on create images. Now click on add files option and click on upload files. So which image you want to edit, select that image. And for basic editing prompt, so if you don't want that background, means just enter remove background. So now here is the output, the background has been removed, and you can also create some other background also. And basically I use this Google Gemini for my personal work, like so for creating thumbnails. So this is the original image, so I just upload the image and say like remove the background and create high class text studio and keep the table but change the table design. So this is what I said. Now here is that design. So in this way it actually helpful for me, and I feel like it's very dull, so I make it so I tell like make it colorful. So now here is that colorful RGB type of background design. So in this way I make most of the design. So like here is it's the original image, now this is the edited image. So overall in this way you can do some basic editings using the Google Gemini, and also you can do some advanced editing like that. So like you can upload two images. So like here in this image, so I have a two smartphones holder. In the left hand there is a blue color phone, and actually firstly I uploaded these two smartphones to replace the blue color phone with this Oppo phone, but it actually confused and given with a different color. So after that again I'm uploaded this Oppo Find X9 Pro smartphone. Now this time it actually replaced perfectly. So as you've seen, my hands is perfectly aligned with this smartphone, and also Oppo Find X9 series design is also completely replaced with the Realme smartphone, because in Realme phone it's a circular camera module. Now it is a square shaped camera module, but one thing is that the Oppo smartphone is a flat at the back side, at the sides and edges, but actually the Realme phone is like a quad curved at the back side. So the output image is also looks like a quad curved at the back side. It not replaced that completely. More advanced editing is not there, but overall it's okay. And there are many prompts you can use using this Google Gemini. So I have given all the prompts in the description. So like 1940s film photograph, or any black and white portrait, or any painting like that effect. Then here is a one more effect. It's a subject skin into shiny metallic texture. So this is one type of effect. Then there is a dream like a double exposure effect, so galaxy effect. And also you can do some editing, like you can change the shirt color also. In this image there is a orange color t-shirt, now it actually replaced with the blue color. So like this you can change the shirt color, you can change the background color, you can change whatever you need. Just you need to do your prompt. You can simply ask also just to change the photo color, just to change the background color, just to add some table in the background. So in this way you can edit your photos using Google Gemini application. So it's a really easy to use, and you can create a different effects using the Google Gemini application. So I have given all the prompt in the description. Check it out. If you like it, hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.